Hello parents. This short little video is really just for those of you that have small group, children who go to small groups. I just wanted to show you some things that you can see that the others cannot. If you open the Canvas and you find that it's shadowed like this, click these three dots and it will open up the brightness of the page. Also, these three dots, if you're not seeing these pictures, these three dots will get you to the card view, which is where you want to be. Once you go to the homeroom course, open it up, you will see the module that is for the whole week. Wherever you see the little eyeballs, these are just for you, for your children. The other members of the class can't see this. It is just assigned to these children. Once you click it open, you'll see that I do give you some special directions. First do this, you're going to listen to this, then listen to this, and then this will take you to small group. Make sure you start at 8 o'clock so you have time to do both of these. You will miss the class discussion because you'll be in your small group. However, if you listen with your children to the word study and the story, you will see the questions probably near the end of the story, or you can talk about at least what they have read, what they have heard, talk about the characters and the setting, and that will prepare you for the next part of the day. Clicking back to the home page. So this is where the rest of the class is going, but you will go here. The rest of the class sees something that looks like this. See, there are no small groups in this on Wednesday mornings. That means there are no little eyeballs here. I didn't make any places where just children can see. So you will click here on this day. And with everybody else, you'll read the story, listen to the word study, read the story, and go to your Zoom group. Now this is where the whole class has been divided into groups. Since I will be teaching my third grade class and Miss Owens will not be back for 2 more weeks, this week and next week, you are divided among these teachers. And every time you do a Zoom this week, you'll see this same teacher. It's the same Zoom, so that'll make it a familiar place for you to land each time you click. So again, this was literally just to tell you that these little places are for you. So this student, 3 of you go to the 11:31. Down here, there's only the 11:31. That's the only meeting for the day. And the last one, some of you go at 8 o'clock. Some of you go at 1:30. And let me see, I might be missing 11:31 there. I think I need to add a Thursday, 11:30. I'll add that in, and you will see it tomorrow morning. Have a good evening.